Hey guys, so we are back with lab number 6. We are going to be making butter out of just any old, heavy cream. And we're going to also toast up some bread so we can, at the end of the project, put the butter on the toast. There's going to be a lot of, different pieces of this video that you'll see. You'll see when it comes to just a normal liquid form, and then you'll see when I continue to shake the butter where it becomes a solidified form, and then whenever it ends up being a total solidification, we'll add water and salt to it. And what I did is I went ahead and shook it up a few more times. That way we knew it was nice and solid, all the water and the salt was mixed up, so it wouldn't all be on the top. And then we put it on our toast, and you'll see that in this video. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've put the heavy whipped cream into my jar, and what I'm about to do is I'm going to shake it up 20 times. And I will come back whenever I've shaken it up 20 times. If you look closely now, it kind of looks like it's starting to solidify. It doesn't look near as watery as what it was. And what we're trying to get to is kind of a buttery state. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it up a few more times, and then we should be good on solidification. Alright, so we shook it up a few more times, and this is kind of what we got. You can tell that it's definitely solidified. It's not near as creamy as what it used to be. We are going to taste it. I'd rather not put this, on tape because it's probably not going to be great. So my facial expressions would probably be pretty bad. But what we're going to do after this is we are going to shake it until it starts to lump up, and then when it starts to lump up, we're going to also open it, and then we're going to taste it again and kind of describe the texture. And if we have any more lumps, what we're going to do is we are going to pour the milk out. We're going to keep the butter, which you can kind of tell right now which part is, that we're starting to get butter. And then we're going to add a little cold water, a little bit of salt, and then we have our toast. That's going to, I'm not using a toaster, I'm using an oven. So what I'm doing is I'm preheating it to 450 degrees, and it'll take a few minutes to cook. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it until it's golden brown on both sides. And then what I'll do is I'll spread the butter onto the toast, and then we'll enjoy some butter toast. So, thanks guys. So you guys remember what it looked like before? This is going to be what it looks like when it's lumpy. Alright. So just to kind of let you guys know, the taste wasn't really bad, but we had to also get it to a lumpy state. And so now what we're going to do is any milk that's left in here, we're just going to go ahead and pour out. And then we're going to add some cold water, which I have in the sink here. And then we also have salt, and there's the pepper, but there's the salt. So we'll add the salt to it. Go ahead and take that out. And then, like I said, we have our toast, which is still preheating. And then we'll get the toast going in about 5 minutes, and I'll come back with the result of the toast and putting the butter onto the toast. Thank you. Alright guys, so here is the finished project. Here is my butter, of course, again. And this is my toast that I heated up. I've actually already ate one piece. And just so you guys know that I eat another piece because it's actually extremely good. And I'll let you guys see me. Okay, here we go. Yep, definitely still good, guys. So, finished project, buttermilk, extremely good.
Thanks, guys.